Yes, earlier on, I said I was giving free food to Metro Community SDA Church, and yes, having given the three families, now I have 17 remaining. Having given food for three families, I have 17 remaining. So what I said is that I'm having food here for our families. I'm having some food remaining in my truck for some families. So if you have not gotten your food, actually you can see I've taken 3 boxes from here. 3 boxes. I've taken 3 boxes from here to give to our people, and I have 17 more boxes remaining. 17 boxes remaining to distribute to our people. This is free food I'm having for people in Arlington, Dallas, Fort Worth area. So if you need some food for your family, for your friend, yes, your fridge may be full, but that doesn't mean that the fridge of your neighbor is full. No. So I'm here to distribute some food, as I said earlier. I have 17 more remaining, food for 17 more families. I will not be here for long. The reason being, this food is perishable. And because the food is perishable, I will not be here for long. I will be forced to go and visit some other people and give them this food. So I have food here at Metro Community. The link is there, so you can click that and come live. I see somebody who wants to contribute. I will not be able to take any call, please, and because I'm doing this live, and at the same time I'm waiting for our people to come and get some food. So I have some food remaining here. Let me see if I'll be able to turn my camera. Yes. So now you can see I have some food here, and this is the food that I have. I've given some boxes from here. You can see that place is empty because I've given some food. And as I said earlier, the food is available, and because it is perishable, I will not be here for long. I will be forced just to leave this place and give those people who need it the most. So if you need food, I'm here for some more minutes. Yeah, I will be here for some 20 more minutes. Let me say 20 more minutes. I have milk here in my car, and as you know, I've just opened my door, so milk is perishable, and it won't last for long, and I don't want people to take food that is already messed up. So that's why I'm here. I will be here shortly or briefly. So if you're watching this video, you are in Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Texas. I'm here in Tanish Drive, which is Center Street, and the Random Hill Metro Community SDA Church, which is next to the Cowboy Stadium. And this is Center Street and Random Hill. Tanish Drive. In Tanish Drive, you will see Metro Community SDA Church, and that way you will be able to come and get some food for your family, get some food for your friends. It's not necessarily that I'm going to be live on camera. No, you realize that when people pick food, I just turn on my camera and I don't go live like that, so that our people can get what they need and the privacy that they need. You know, at times you may not be free to come on camera that you are collecting food, and I don't want to it's also unprofessional for me to do that. So I just want to say that welcome. I will be up briefly. I want to turn my video off. I will turn my video off because I see there are other people that are coming to collect food. So I have okay, 3 more, 4 more. Okay, I will be having 15 more boxes to go. 15 more boxes to go. So if you want food only in Arlington, Dallas, Fort Worth area, I will be here briefly, or inbox me. Right, if you're watching that link and you want some food, don't ask for my number, please. Just inbox me. Click messenger there. I'll be able to get your message so that I wait for you here. If you want food and you think that, oh, I may be late and I want some food, please text me, inbox me there. Tell me how many families you are picking for so that I set it aside and preserve it for you. Reserve it for you. So this is the food that I'm distributing, and I have 15 more families, as I said, to go. So food is really going, and your fridge may be full, but your neighbor's fridge is not full. And as I said earlier, this is courtesy of Mesquite Adventist Church. Earlier on, I talked to Elder James Ayonga, and when I went there, he said, you know, we got this from Dallas New Life. A friend of Dallas New Life told me, and after a short time, and then they were able to secure a truck, an 18-wheeler, and that's how they got to get this food. And therefore, when I walked in there today, I went to do some coverage, and I also picked some 2 boxes, and I realized, no, how can I take food, and there are so many people that need food here? So I just filled. They told me, okay, fill as many as you can, as many as your truck can accept. So I really filled my truck. You can see it's half empty now, or you can say half full. Yeah, whichever. In my class, we used to say that whichever is higher. So you can see it's half empty or half full. So we are moving. I see people are coming, and as soon as they reach here, they arrive here, I will turn off my camera because of privacy, and at the same time, you know, these are no things that most of the time I come live to do. Some of you are asking, how do we get the same food in Kenya? Oh man. Tune in to Agr News, Abagusii Global Radio. Tomorrow, that's tomorrow, yeah, in Kenya, we will be going to one orphanage in Kisii. We will be going to one orphanage in Kisii. I don't want to say where, but just stay tuned. You will see what we'll be doing. And if you want to contribute to them, there is a number that they put there. I don't want to be associated with something that is ongoing in Kenya, so please join them. But for now, I'm here simply because of the food that I'm distributing in Dallas-Fort Worth area, and this is at Metro Community SDA Church. I will be leaving here in 15 minutes. In 15 minutes, I will be leaving here. And why are you leaving so quick? I will be leaving here because as you see, as you can realize, I have some perishable food here which cannot stay for long, and therefore that one is enough reason for me to leave earlier. And as I said earlier, if remember the parable of when the master was coming, and then the wedding was called in the Bible, and the people were invited to come and get some food and enjoy, and people never came. They never showed up. So what happened? So the master said, you know, if people didn't show up, then go to the roads, go to the street, and invite anybody that is available to come and get the food. So he did so, and he clothed them with wedding gowns. Anybody who was not in the uniform was thrown out. So that's what I'm going to exactly do today. That I've been waiting here. I will be leaving here for in less than 15 minutes. And that means if you not be here by then, I will be forced to go out there. Walmart is next here. I will just park at the parking lot and say, hey man, you don't need to buy food. I have free food here, and then people will get the food. Okay, thank you. I just want to say thank you for watching. Share this clip, and make sure you invite your friends in Dallas Fort Worth area. If somebody wants to come and get some food, I'm here. Text me, inbox me. I will not leave here if you inbox me that you are on your way. And for sure, if I know that you will be coming, I will wait for you here. I'm Orina Ontiri, and this is Agr News. And for more, stay tuned.